Welcome to WOW Decor Tube, and thank you for joining this creative journey today. In this video, we're exploring an idea that quietly blends nature, art, and opportunity into something deeply meaningful. Old solid wood bird sculptures that are vintage in spirit, creatively handmade, softly curved, and thoughtfully designed to become a profitable business for nature and art lovers alike. This is not about fast trends or mass production. It's about slowing down, listening to the material, and discovering how accessible craftsmanship can meet real market appeal in a way that feels honest, calming, and inspiring. Whether you are a creator, a dreamer, or simply someone who appreciates handmade beauty, this journey invites you to see how simple wood can become timeless art with purpose and value. There is something instantly comforting about old solid wood. It carries a sense of history, warmth, and authenticity that newer materials often lack. When shaped into a bird form, that feeling deepens even more. Birds have always symbolized freedom, peace, hope, and connection to nature. And when they are sculpted from aged wood, they seem to hold stories within them. The grain patterns, small cracks, and natural color variations become part of the design, not flaws to be hidden. Vintage wooden birds feel as though they belong to both the past and the present, making them especially appealing to people who love nature-inspired decor and meaningful handmade objects. The creative process behind these wooden bird sculptures is gentle and intuitive. It often begins with a simple piece of old wood, perhaps reclaimed or saved from being discarded, already shaped by time and use. Instead of forcing the wood into a rigid design, the maker allows the bird's form to emerge naturally. Soft curves are carefully shaped, giving the sculpture a sense of calm movement, as if the bird is resting or quietly observing its surroundings. This curved style is key to its charm, because it mirrors the organic shapes found in nature and creates an immediate emotional connection for the viewer. Accessible craftsmanship is at the heart of this idea. Creating wooden birds does not require expensive machines or a large workshop. With basic tools, patience, and attention to detail, even beginners can begin exploring this art form. Sanding becomes a meditative act, smoothing the surface while revealing the beauty of the wood beneath. Small imperfections are embraced, adding to the vintage feel and making each piece truly one of a kind. This approach sends an encouraging message to viewers. You do not need perfection or advanced skills to create something beautiful and valuable. You only need the willingness to start and the courage to let your hands learn. The vintage aesthetic of these birds plays a powerful role in their market appeal. Vintage does not mean outdated. It means timeless, soulful, and enduring. A wooden bird with a soft, natural finish fits effortlessly into many spaces, from modern minimalist homes to rustic cottages and cozy workspaces. This versatility makes the pieces highly desirable as decor items and gifts. Nature lovers are drawn to their organic feel, while art lovers appreciate their sculptural simplicity and handmade character. This wide appeal is what allows such a simple object to become a strong foundation for a profitable creative business. As these handmade birds take shape, their emotional value becomes just as important as their visual beauty. People connect deeply with objects that feel human-made, objects that carry intention and care. A solid wood bird placed on a shelf or desk often becomes more than decoration. It becomes a quiet companion, a symbol of calm in a busy world. This emotional connection is what transforms a handmade piece into something people are willing to invest in. Buyers are not just purchasing wood. They are purchasing a feeling, a story, and a connection to nature. From a business perspective, wooden bird sculptures offer a beautiful balance between simplicity and value. They are small enough to create consistently, yet meaningful enough to stand out in a crowded market. Their size makes them easy to display, photograph, package, and ship, which is especially important for online selling. At the same time, no two birds are ever exactly alike. Variations in wood grain, curve, and finish ensure that each piece feels unique, which is a strong selling point for customers seeking individuality and authenticity. For viewers watching this process on WOW Decor Tube, the the inspiration goes beyond the finished product. Seeing raw, old wood slowly transform into a graceful bird sculpture helps people imagine what they could create themselves. The calm pace, the focus on hands and material, and the absence of unnecessary complexity make the journey feel achievable rather than intimidating. This is where accessible craftsmanship truly meets market appeal. When viewers realize that something so simple can be both beautiful and profitable, creativity becomes empowering instead of overwhelming. The curved design of these birds deserves special attention because it is central to their emotional impact. Curves feel natural, gentle, and inviting. They soften the overall look and make the sculpture feel approachable. In a video format, slow camera movements around these curves allow viewers to appreciate the form fully, highlighting how light interacts with the wood's surface. These moments are visually satisfying and emotionally calming, making the content enjoyable even for viewers who are simply watching for relaxation and inspiration. Styling also plays an important role in helping viewers understand the value of these pieces. When shown in natural light, resting on wood shelves, near plants, or beside books, the birds feel at home. These scenes help viewers imagine the sculptures in their own spaces, which is a key step in turning inspiration into desire. This subtle storytelling teaches that selling art is not about pushing products, but about showing how they naturally belong in everyday life. Another powerful aspect of this idea is sustainability. Using old or reclaimed wood aligns with growing awareness around environmental responsibility. Nature lovers, in particular, appreciate decor that respects natural resources and reduces waste. A wooden bird made from reclaimed wood carries an additional layer of meaning, as it represents renewal and care for the environment. This ethical dimension strengthens both the emotional and market value of the piece, making it especially attractive to conscious buyers. As the video journey continues, viewers begin to see how creativity, patience, and intention can evolve into a sustainable creative path. The idea of building a profitable business no longer feels distant or unrealistic. It feels grounded, achievable, and aligned with personal values. This is a powerful realization, especially for those who dream of earning through art but fear they lack the resources or skills. The wooden bird becomes a symbol of possibility, showing that small, thoughtful creations can lead to meaningful outcomes. If you are enjoying today's content on WOW Decor Tube and finding inspiration in these vintage handmade wooden bird ideas, your support truly means a lot. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps this channel grow and allows more people to discover creative, nature-inspired decor ideas that blend art, craftsmanship, and opportunity. Old solid wood bird sculptures represent far more than decor. They are a quiet meeting point between nature and art, simplicity and value, accessible craftsmanship, and real market appeal. Vintage in feel, curved in form, and handmade with care, these pieces show that creativity does not need to be complicated to be meaningful or profitable. They remind us that beauty can come from patience, intention, and respect for material, and that even the simplest ideas can inspire viewers and resonate deeply with buyers. Thank you for spending this creative time with WOW Decor Tube. And remember that sometimes the most powerful ideas are the ones shaped slowly, by hand, and with heart.